Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wanting to draw a crisp straight line in a PDF, maybe to highlight a section, underline a paragraph, or add a simple annotation, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to do just that using Adobe Acrobat 2025, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add lines anywhere you need in your documents with total confidence. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat 2025. I recommend double-checking that you're using the right version, since some tools might look a bit different in older releases. Once your document is loaded, you're ready for the next step. Now, look up at the top of your screen for the Tools tab. This is basically your gateway to all the editing features Acrobat offers. Clicking on Tools brings up a whole tray of options, and from here, we're going to select the Comment tool. This step is important because the Comment tool unlocks markup features, including drawing tools, which we'll be using for our line. When you click Comment, Adobe Acrobat does two things. It opens up the Comment toolbar across the top, and you'll see a Comments list panel pop up on the right side. If you're ever unsure if you've selected the right tool, check for these two indicators. They tell you you're in the right spot. Let's find the Drawing Tools menu. This is where most folks get tripped up because it can be a little hidden. Look for an icon that resembles a pencil. Sometimes, if you've used another shape recently, like a rectangle or oval, you may see that tool instead. Don't worry. Just click the icon, and you'll get a drop-down or an expanded submenu with more drawing options. From this expanded menu, select the Line tool. It's the one that usually just looks like a slash or a diagonal line. With the Line tool selected, your cursor will change. And now comes the fun part, actually drawing your line. Move your cursor over to the spot in your document where you want your line to begin. Maybe it's marking the start of an important paragraph, or maybe you're just drawing a divider. No matter what, placing the line exactly where you want it is key. Now, click and hold your mouse button. As you start dragging, this is where you want to add a little precision. While you're dragging, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. This handy trick restricts the line to perfectly straight angles. It'll snap to either perfectly horizontal, perfectly vertical, or a clean 45 degrees. It's a bit like using a ruler in real life, making sure your annotation looks professional and neat. Keep dragging as far as you need. You might notice that the line jumps to those crisp angles. That's exactly what we want. When it looks right, just release your mouse button to finish drawing. Don't worry if it's not exactly where you want it at first. You can always click to select the line and adjust its position or length later, just like tweaking any other annotation. And there you have it. You now know how to quickly and easily add straight lines to any PDF in Adobe Acrobat 2025. This works great for underlining text, connecting ideas, or adding emphasis. And once you've tried it a few times, you'll see how versatile this little tool can be. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific Acrobat feature you'd like covered next. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.